darker, bolder, and clearer greetings on your cards and your other projects? If so, I have a super handy tip to share with you today that may change your life. Let's take a look at it. These cards all have one thing in common, and that is that I had to stamp the greetings multiple times to get them dark and clear enough for me to be happy with them as a completed project. So let me show you how to do this. And some of you watching along already know. If you have not seen this, you're going to be amazed. So I'm bringing in my Stamparatus. This is the absolute best stamping tool. If you don't know anything about the Stamparatus, I'm going to link you to a video right here that you can take a look at that is going to tell you all about it. This thing is life-changing, and I hear that over and over again from my customers who purchase them. So I just mounted this greeting stamp onto it. Now, I have chosen my paper and my ink color here for a reason. I chose to use a designer paper, and I chose to use Bumblebee yellow ink because it's not real dark, okay? So I stamped once, it says happy for you, but can you see that clearly, or does it need to be a little bit darker? So with the Stamparatus, this is what I have done on all of these cards I just shared with you, is I just stamp. Look how much clearer that is just with a second stamping. 3. Now it is definitely popping out from this designer paper. So this is what I have done on all of these greetings and all of these cards that I just showed is I mounted my greeting to the Stamparatus and stamped it here as many times as I needed to until I felt like it was clear enough to show up. So you can be on designer paper, you can be stamping over something else. Like here I had that pineapple in the background. On this one in particular, I had that leaf there, and I needed to stamp my navy ink several times to make it dark enough to show up over that leaf. So thanks so much for watching along. Like I said, you can check out that video in the Stamparatus if you want to know more about it. It is the best tool, and if you decide to purchase one, I promise you will not regret it. So thanks so much for being here. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.